because I obviously can't fit all of the tools in there. I can't fit a hammer in there, but cable ties, that's the bag for it. Let's see. Ah, bollocks. That's where the 10mm bit is. Right, I'll sort that out in a bit. Right, so I've got trying to sort out as much as I can. Right, so I can't fit in. Right, now $10mm bit. So anyway, right, what was I saying? Yeah, so I've got plans for how, now I've got the, well, once I've got the trike up and running, I've got plans for, which is up and running, that'll be, it won't be until after the holiday now, which is a pain in the arse, but I've only got a few more things to do on it, literally, and I just can't, I haven't got time to do them before we go away, so I'll have to do them when I get back, because I can't stress out too much about getting stuff done. Well, that just make myself ill. Right, so yeah, so I've got, get the trike up and running, do a few odds and sods, a few rallies, a few one-day events, and then start tidying up the trike, but not letting the trike lose its identity. So it's mostly stuff like getting the seat covered and things like that, which not that difficult really. Right, what have I got in here? Right. Spanners. Lots of spanners. Right, I've got an 11. No, I've got an 8 and a 10. 13. 12 and a 10. An 8. Another 13. 14 and a 17. Another 14 and a 17. And a 7. That's about it, all I need on the spanner front. Then I have 17mm Allen socket for, that's the oil drain plug on the trike. Spark plug spanner and a solid handle to do that. I've got 2 spark plug spanners for some reason, I only need 1. Right. Extension bar for that. Always handy. So that's that. I've got another 13mm one. I don't know why. I'll have a look at that later. Right, so, and that's a 12 and a 13. Right, then I've got another 8 and a 9, no, 12 and a 13. Little mini ratchet for all the bits and sockets and things I've got in there. Wire brush and stiff brush. A little screwdriver. Side clippers. Hacksaw. Bit of hose pipe. That's for spark plugs. Very handy for reaching into the hole in the V-dub engine because of the tinware on it, and you can get that onto the end and just help get, you know, find the spark plug and use the spark plug out. That makes sense, doesn't it? Right. Folding Stanley type knife. In a bag with tape, and then that is always sealed up, and spare blades for it, and that's saved any hassle from the police having it in a bag, because I only need one of them. Because if you've got it in a bag in your tool roll, then you obviously can't get to it quickly, you know, so they can't do you for carrying an offensive weapon. Well, I suppose they could if they was being complete arses, but generally they wouldn't do you for carrying an offensive weapon. Right. So that can come off. Oh yeah, and the adapter handle so that I can use all of my sockets and Allen fit bolts and things like that as a screwdriver. Now what I've got to do is I have to give them tools a light coating of oil. Once I've managed to open it, there we go. Right, that's open. Right, I'll move all of those over here, and I can do them one at a time. So what I'll do is, oh, come here, plop. Right. Right, just a light coating of three in one. If I do it that way, that's because I can then give it a quick bit of 3 in 1, just because they're going to be sitting in the trike, in the tool roll. This should just help keep rust at bay, because when you open up your tool roll and it's just covered in lumps of rust. It's just not pleasant at all. So, light coat of oil, and it does only need to be a light coat. It just keeps the rust at bay. So anyway, what was I saying? Yeah. So we're gonna do the seat rig covers. I might sort out a new front seat for me, something a bit smaller, something I can still sit on, but looks better than the lawn mower seat that I've got at the moment. What is it? Lawn mower? Or it's something like that. It's a lawn mower seat, or it's a oh, forget what it is. But it's saying it's you know the sort of thing I mean. It's lawn mower or a little digger or something like that. It's just so. So yeah, I might change that. I can build something and cover it up. That'll yeah, just improve that a bit. Get the back seat recovered. And I'll have to work out some way. Well, I'm going to have to, when I get back, I'm going to have to sort the cats out. I don't mean, you know, do anything nasty to them, just take the pleasure of sitting on the trike away from them. Maybe I've got some of them plastic spikes they use for fences. So I'll sort that out better, and then that'll hopefully just what was I saying? Hopefully just deter them from spending all their time, because the problem is it's under the cover and they stay in there out of the rain and stuff like that. So little screwdriver, just I don't need to do that handle because that's that. And give that a wipe. That. And that as well. And hacksaw. Right, so yeah. So yeah, get the back seat recovered. And then do some little tidy up bits. Don't really know quite what, but nothing is going to change the trike, just something that's going to, I'll move them over there. All of that stuff can come up. Then, if I wrap this up like a burrito, a big purple burrito, couple of silica bags in. Now that needs some rubber bands around that as well. So, for that, I'm going to use. Oh, that's not going to stretch, is it? Cycle in the tube isn't going to. It might do. No, oh, got my fingers trapped. Right, cycling tube isn't going to stretch. So I need to find, where did I put another inner tube? I don't know for now. I really don't know. No. And this. There we go. Right, that's all that done. Now, hopefully. Okay, right. So that's not going to work like that, but what I can do is, I thought the tin was going to be a good idea. Right, oh, sorry. I don't know how much of that you got because I didn't realise the camera had shut down. So, basically, tool well done. A few other bits that I've got to fit in there somewhere. That's the extendable handle so I can undo the wheel nuts on the back of the trike if I need to. But yeah, just gotta, just fall over. Right, so that's that all done. That's really all I'm doing today because as I said, we're off on holiday, so I've got stuff like that I've got to sort out. So I'm going to go and wash my hands and all that sort of thing, get ready for lunch. Actually, I don't know what we're having. Possibly cheese rolls. Yeah, got to tart up the trike a bit as well once I've got it all sorted. Right, so hope you enjoyed the video and see you later.